Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are introducing cordless handheld vacuum cleaner. Strong suction deep cleaning and flexible brush head. Powerful suction power 8500 pop aluminum fan. The swivel head that folds close to the ground offers easier maneuverability around tough corners and works well to reach under furniture. 30 minutes long-lasting runtime. Built-in large batteries 2000 mAh that are lightweight. Long shelf life, high energy capacity, and charge quickly. Cordless and portable. All-round cleaning, no dead angles. The portable cordless vacuum can help you thoroughly clean the oven, sofa, wall, stairs, and other hard-to-reach areas. Two modes can be free-switched with wireless vacuum cleaning. Long-lasting battery life, lightweight and convenient, saving time and effort. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.